seek no asylum, badness right through. Till time up, JPS me dog before.
Yadi, first man missy, hard clip and pussy. Fuck y'all, hard them a hawk split and to me. Really a panda, oh boots.
You know answer my message. Your pussy good and I know my been a said this. Been a coming on your face and fucking up your edges. Your pussy fat, your holy cock. The fuck? Be a banger, they are sign them out. Cause the lies I forget the cameras up. Cause the lies I forget the camera. And me and him for the head, them can't go fire back. Me get anything you want, money me wire that. Send me got a tire shop, but I get a tire that.
Me and the man, me have to take care of family. Been a grind real hard for me done mommy. Bobby 6 World Papa. Oh, life is sometimes heaven.
Stakes nice, dark, this color play wise. Dan money chop up on me nine, excite. Enough of that boy.
I want ya. It's forever and done like bad. 3-9. What you know about max out credit card, pay that back. Quick skull.
Take off your shoes, guys. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes, cause your pum pum no loose. Take off your shoes, back here. You got to keep the shadow, the pum pum here. Spice. Move off the body and cut. Move off the body and cut. Cut it off the foot. Take up your body and cut. Snap up your belly and cut. I love you, baby. I love you, baby. Oh, it's the catwalk. Oh my God. It's the...
Play the next track.
Play the
Yo, what that Ben? Do the right thing, bro. The plate and fat, what that? I mean, yo,
Ben, what that? You do the right thing, man.
That me done. John,
Are you what?
Alright, Ben, John.
Yo, baby, I'm going with all the liquor and cup there.
Are you name here?
No, me, I'm nephew. That's when I play my phone. Do the right thing, man.
Real history now. Me are the hottest dancehall artist ever. From 1991 till now, me dey on stage and talk to you. Name a next artist who act like that.
So hot is defined not by number one song.
No, but to how long you reign.
Reign and relevance.
If you're talking about the hot sensation, a sensation doesn't last. I'm a hot impact.
So you're talking about the brand Bounty Killer.
Artist dancehall brand. Who has the biggest dancehall name?
Okay.
And this is not from winning a Grammy or selling a record overseas. This is from dominating Jamaica. Who reigned the hardest in dancehall in Jamaica from 1991 till now. What is his name? Name him.
And the hottest names right now.
You only could put Ninja Man
yes.
as a reigning champion like Bounty. And that's my father. That's the man who put me on the staple.
Who sustained relevance?
Bounty Killer and Ninja Man is the two longest reigning dancehall champions.
And the doctor.